baboy. Parang gano'n, ano? Even if you have many children and grandchildren, most of the time you will be living with your asawa, no saan may sakan. And when your children visits you occasionally, it's an expression of affection. So don't blame them for coming less often as they were busy in their own homes and lives. O nautsen tatayon, kat adamet pampamilya dagiti anak tayon, agpaiso manmano datay to nga bisitaanen. Tama? Wow, manmanon. Napian ano malagip da ka pay nga umay balunan. Iso nga agsing patay nga naganak kadagiti anak tayo, tanong madanon tayo ti otsen tata.